It's a bird. I caught it.
Where did you find the bird at?
In the garage.
It's a lie.
Go put that outside.
Why?
We're not keeping
I'll
it.
get the cage ready.
But we are.
We're not keeping it.
But we are.
We don't have a bird cage.
Yeah, we do. We have the aquarium.
Yeah.
So
Let me
keep it
see
in
what are
the
you gonna do with your
aquarium.
fish?
Let me see it.
Get the bird.
It's probably full of bugs.
Don't. It's my bird. I caught it. Love it.
Oh, right, Ryla.
So now we have a bird loose in the house. The bird's loose in the house.
Come here, birdie. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Come here, birdie.
Alright, catch it.
Got it.
Alright, we need to let it outside.
No.
Yes, go let it outside.
Fine, but I'll keep it outside.
No, it'll get too cold.
Let it loose where you found it.
It's in the garage. So yeah, let's let it go in the garage. Hi, what? I'll call you Fuzzy.
You should write an R on the back of its tail, an R on the back of its tail.
What?
Write an R with like permanent markers. Write an R so we'll always know that it's...
our bird.
Yeah.
Our bird.
Where's the markers?
We're not doing that.
We're not putting a marker on the bird. Just let it go.
Why not?
Yeah, ow, it's calling me.
Write it. Let it go where you found it.
Maybe we should put it
Okay.
in the snake cage and see what
Yeah.
happens.
Oh!
The bird is loose again. Where is it this time?
Come here, birdie.
We really just gotta put this... What? It's a fly. It's not a hornet. It's just a bird.
Yeah, what if it's gonna peck at me?
It's not gonna peck at you.
How? What if it has this sharp beak?
You just had it 2 seconds ago. It's not gonna suddenly become
Whoa!
vicious.
Bigger.
No, it's not. I can eat this thing.
Alright.
I got my birdie. I got my birdie. I got my bird.
This is like the 3rd time it's gotten loose in the house. And we really need to just like get it to the door already.
No! My bird.
Come on. There's
Let
two.
it go.
No,
Let it
no.
go.
There's 2 birds in the house.
Yes, let it go in here. Let it go.
No, don't you dare let it. Why are you encouraging? Now we have another bird in the back.
I'll get it.
Why did you tell them to let it out?
No reason.
There's 2 birds in the house.
You got some splaining to do, Blue. We've got 2 birds loose in the house thanks to you.
Yay! I got a birdie. We're having birdies. Woo!
Put the thing outside.
Get my birdie.
Come on, can we stop letting the birds
I got
loose?
my birdie. It's so awesome. That's why I call it fuzzy. Because it's so fuzzy. You found it.
No, I don't want it. It's probably full of bugs.
Yeah, dude, that'd be funny if you wrote an R right up on its tail.
My bird is not flying away.
Oh, come on. Oh, what? Oh, what? Okay, time to get these things outside. Come on. Oh, okay, outside.
Stop.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Is it trying to go after the
Let it go.
fly?
No, it's trying to go outside. We need to let him out.
Ryla.
Hold on, here. All right, let's go outside. Rainy, come
I'm
on.
trying to get it onto my...
We're going outside to let it go.
Here we go outside to let the birds go.
1.
So we're gonna let it go on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. It's free.
That thing's probably never gonna come back again.
It's a tree. Another bird?
Yes.
How many birds are there? Where are you guys finding them?
There's a bird trap. And the wind keeps pushing the door open. Yeah.
Well, shut it.
Hey, you guys.
This is our pet now.
No, we're gonna let it go. But I was thinking that maybe we could make our friends bird feeders. Oh, look at Rissa's all festive today. Okay, so since I made the kids let the birds go, I decided it would be maybe a good idea to make some
Bird feeders.
Bird feeders. We couldn't find any pine cones, so
Well, we found peanut butter.
we found peanut butter and some toilet paper rolls.
And
we happen to have bird seed lying around, which is kind of weird. But
Who's
yeah.
got bird feed lying around?
I don't know. But let's get started.
I thought we were making bird feeders. Where is everybody? Now we're gonna need some bird seed. Now we need some peanut butter. Great, now the last thing we need is toilet paper rolls.
yay! Let's get started.
Did he just say maybe he just hang up? It's not
He
just
said-
a phone that you can just swipe
He said
and make it go
3
away.
knives coming up. Thank you, Rosin.
You're using that one.
All right, no.
It's mine. Mine.
No, knife fighting.
You should have like the 3 Musketeers.
Stop it.
All right, so then you just pour, you put peanut butter all over the toilet paper roll.
I don't have mine.
Oh my God. You're out, that's all you get.
Like outside or inside?
Outside.
Don't you need to tie the strings through it first?
Probably, but we don't think things through.
Ow.
What
Good.
string?
Like the yarn to hang it on the tree. Rosin, what are you doing?
I got lots of peanut butter.
This is like the time we made Kermit.
Look at me. Look at me. Mine has a lot on me. Buttering these rolls of toilet paper with no toilet paper.
Toilet paper?
Toilet paper.
I thought this was toilet paper.
Toilet paper. Oh. This splash, I'm taking a bath.
My roller, just like a bath.
Oh my! And I didn't even have to add that sound effect. Gross, Rosin.
What do I have to say to myself?
Congratulations.
You finally tooted so loud.
That the whole entire house can hear it.
Hear it, smell it.
Feel it.
What?
Is that what I'm supposed to do?
Mm-hmm.
Where's can I put this?
The sink where dirty dishes go.
Whoopsie daisy.
Guys, I need you mine. Me too. Oopsie daisy, call me crazy.
And this is actually what we're having for dinner tonight.
Oh yay! Birdseed. Olé.
Ole.
Delicious.
Easiest way.
Wait, is birdseed actually edible?
Yes.
Yeah, you need it.
Splash, splash, I'm taking a bath.
Actually, you know what? I have special peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for you guys for tonight.
Oh my gosh, Rosin.
It sounds edible. Should I eat this?
We'll see.
Birdseed's edible.
Don't eat bird seeds.
They'll make you poison.
Yeah, just eat people seed.
Is that even a thing? Yeah, chia seeds, knockout berries.
Yeah.
The basics.
So
Peanut butter. And Jay.
Peanut butter. Yeah.
Okay, so we are just wrapping up with our bird feeders. We didn't put yarn on them because we should have did that before we started slopping them all full of peanut butter. But I guess we can just throw them outside or put them on a branch or something. I'm not sure. Anyways, now I'm gonna go get the kids some peanut butter treats out of the fridge that we got last night. And yeah, we'll see if they like it. Don't mind the fridge. Yeah, these bad boys here. So guys, I got these on sale yesterday.
I need to watch my hands. Ooh, 50 cents.
Yeah, they're on sale. Let's see how they are.
It says that there's no peanut butter in them.
You weren't supposed to see that. You're just supposed to eat it and tell me what you think. Oh, so you're gonna put peanut butter in it?
Yeah. They're frozen.
Well, that wasn't part of the plan either. Just, what do they taste like?
May I please have it, Dad? You get this.
Is it good, Rosin? Does it taste like peanut butter?
I got peanut butter.
It doesn't?
It tastes like jelly.
Oh. Ryla, let me see. What's wrong with it? Ryla, what's wrong with it?
Ew, what is that?
It's a peanut butter alternative. Eat it.
Why does it look so gross?
You add real
Gross.
peanut butter and it'll taste better. Gross.
It looks so gross. It looks so gross. What did he do? How is it, buddy?
It's not.
Is it gross? Rissa peanut butter?
She likes it.
And so does this food look disgusting. Woo woo. And like this.
I'll have it.
These taste horrible.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching another one of our videos.
Yeah, you guys have been awesome, so supportive. We love you guys. Keep watching. You are great. We cannot thank you guys enough.
Subscribe, like down below, and remember, if we get 100 likes, we will do
Pie in the face. Yeah, vote below in the comments who should get the pie in the face.
We're all pointing at Mom.
We are not.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, and if you hit the like button 3 times, it will turn into a rainbowy unicorn.
I don't think that's true.
way.
Yes.
I don't think it's true, but you could try it. All right, we'll see you later, guys.
See you next time.
Bye. I was super excited that I got this peanut butter and jelly little, what are they? Sandwich?
Crustless sandwiches.
Yeah, anyways, because they're super tasty, and we never get them because they're always so expensive. And this was 50 cents. 50 cents. And Blue had to bring it to my attention that it's peanutless peanut butter, which just kind of ruins the whole thing.
It's what I do.
Now, they're probably gross.